Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
And I'm Xander.
And I'm Zachary.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we're unboxing the MakerBox, except for it's actually coming special delivery today, guys. So it is. It's supposed to be being delivered by somebody very special. What? Oh, I hear him now. Oh, and there it is. Look at that. Thanks, Santa. What, are you just chomping at the bit? How about if you guys do it together? I'll take the bow off.
Okay.
Go for it.
It's the greatest Christmas.
That's pretty much how Christmas morning works around this house.
It's the greatest present of all.
All right. Now we need.
Can I get? I'm a responsible person.
Good cutting.
I don't know how to close it.
You don't know how to close it. You got to push this button in right here, and then
Okay.
just make sure you get your fingers out of the way.
Man, I don't want to. Ignore me.
No candy! Yay!
No, there's candies.
Oh.
I like candy.
Is that a grape airhead?
Yes.
We got like 1,000 of those still left over from
Well, this one
Halloween.
is better
Is it? Well, it's probably fresher.
because it's from MakerBox. Ignore me. I don't want to ignore
Oh my
this.
gosh. Who is this guy?
Yeah. Who is that guy?
Look at that fancy sticker. That is some fancy sticker. That would be Graybeard 3D. I mean, John from over there at Graybeard, a friend of the channel's. Ignore me. I wonder if that works. Da, 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 da. All right, so this little ignore me, which usually says read me on it, so that's actually pretty funny. But the other side of that explains that
It's opposite day.
if you are a MakerBox subscriber, that you can actually refer 3 friends and get a free MakerBox, which is awesome. If you don't yet, I don't know why he just threw that candy, but if you do not yet subscribe to MakerBox, you should. And you can either find a friend that gets it so that you can help that friend out, or there is actually a link in our down in our description that will allow you to get that box as well.
The candy is okay. It's in the 3D fuel box.
It gives us credit for it, but it's just really for tracking purposes for us. But there's a coupon code down there to save yourself a little money. So
I like money.
This is a special offer. For MakerBox subscribers only. See that? Yeah, it's a great deal, and I can't tell you about it if you're not a MakerBox subscriber. But do you see that? It's a screaming great deal.
Yeah, you guys don't want to see it. It's not that good. Definitely not.
It's a great deal that saves you 50% on an accessory from E3D or from E3D, and you're going to be sorry if you don't get the December box.
If you show that, you'll get in trouble.
Well, I don't know if I'd get in trouble.
But you still shouldn't.
I'm the Fun King. I can do whatever I want.
Yeah, run a red light and we'll talk about it.
But I'm not going to. I'm not going to give that away. That needs to be for subscribers only. So, you reading or am I reading?
No, you read that one. I'll read this one.
All right. So
that one has too many words.
So many words. So this one is Poly Smooth Teal by Polymaker, and the hot end temperature is 190 to 220 degrees. The bed temperature is room to 70. It is a speed of 40 to 60 millimeters per second. It requires cooling. It is extremely moisture sensitive. You may need to dry it to prevent stringing, or just nail it with the heat gun afterwards to get rid of the stringing. PolySmooth is a unique, easy-to-print filament designed for hands-free post-processing. The surface can be smoothed with alcohol to achieve layer-free models using the polisher, which is Polysher. If you haven't seen Polymaker's polisher, it is a chamber that you lock your prints in, and you send them to jail, and it mists. It atomizes. I don't know if that's the right word actually, but it mists isopropyl alcohol onto your prints to help smooth them out. So this is a This is a sample of that Poly Smooth filament. Now, I don't have a polisher. You know, if Polymaker wanted to send me one, I would totally review that unit. But I don't have one, so when we print with this, I'm going to put a little alcohol in a misting bottle and see what I can do with it. So, and again, that is Polymaker. Well, we kind of knew that was coming. Do you remember we got one of those? Don't take it out of there. This is it's an acupuncture needle, but it's properly sized to clean your nozzle. It's to get the clogs out of your nozzle. And we were given one of these in the October box
that we got.
That was hand delivered to us at IRF. From Matt of MakerBox, and then I shot the video.
We weren't supposed to show it.
And Matt was like, "How about don't put that in the video?" I'm like, "Oh, too late, too late." So if we got it in October, but you didn't, that's why. Here it is today. So we hope you enjoy your nozzle cleaner that we've had since October.
Okay, so this is the terracotta PLA. So like terracotta from like Minecraft, and Minecraft like my YouTube channel. Tag like Paul, please subscribe. Okay, so this is terracotta PLA with the
wow.
This is terracotta PLA with a hot end temperature of 170 to 210. A bed temperature from room to 50. Speed isn't listed. Cooling, yes. A new material from Philo Alpha. MakerBox members get to try it before the official release. PLA blended with a special additive. For a terracotta-like finish.
Which is cool. So I like the fact that we get to try it before it's officially released, which means that we should probably print with it soon.
Yes, now. Right now.
Just right now?
Yes, right now.
Like just throw it back there and like poof, all of a sudden here we have a print.
Yeah.
70 speed not listed, cooling, yes. So it is a PL. Don't touch that.
What is that?
I don't know, but it's gorgeous. So
I want it.
So it is a PLA, and it does have a cool. It almost looks like a clay, which I guess would be the terracotta.
Like from Minecraft, and from Minecraft, like my YouTube channel. Haha. Like Paul, link in description.
Your YouTube channel is from Minecraft?
Yeah, from Minecraft. I work for Mojang secretly.
Holy cow! All right, do you want to read this, or do I get to read that?
That's a lot of words, so I don't want to.
Well, that one's. It's a little technical too.
I don't want to read it. This
is EEL conductive TPU. So, rubbery. It is by Ninja Tech. It is a hot end temperature of 220 to 230 degrees. The bed temperature of room to 45. So, low bed temperature. Speed of 15 to 20 millimeters per second, which being that it's TPU, definitely want to slow it down. Cooling after layer 2. Use glue stick for bed adhesion. EEL 3D printing filament is Ninja Tech's first truly conductive, flexible filament. EEL's 355% elongation allows for repeated movement without wear or cracking. Man, I should have made you read this. You'll produce reliable, high-quality prints due to the consistent diameter. Ninja Tech's EEL filament is chemical resistant to a variety of materials. Manufactured in the USA.
No, I have it. No.
By Ninja Tech.
No, I have it. Ow.
It's a conductive filament.
What can I have?
And it's flexible. So like you can put that into your prints and then run electricity through it. So you could embed LEDs and stuff in your print.
Oh, that's cool.
And not have to run wires.
That's cool.
This was just too pretty.
How can I see it?
I didn't want to let you have this one.
Why?
Because look how gorgeous.
It's not like I'm gonna use it anyway. Just let me see it.
Gorgeous.
Oh no, too many words.
I knew you weren't gonna. Well, it's got words like this. What's that word?
Polycarbonate.
There you go. This is polycarbonate blue.
I'm not.
I can say polycarbonate, but I can't say blue. This is polycarbonate blue by Plast 3D. Hot end temperature of 250 to 300 degrees. Bed temperature of 80 to 100. No speed is listed. Cooling is off, and they advise an enclosure. Polycarbonate filament is strong thermoplastic material used in 3D printing. It's a good electrical insulator while having heat-resistant properties. Clear PC has high temperature resistant and high optical clarity. It has high glossy finish. It's got a lot of highs in there. It's got high temperature resistance, high optical clarity, and high glossy finish. Suggested to print on glass bed in good ventilated area. Well, you will be if you don't use it in a good ventilated area. So, and that is manufactured in China. But the color on that, I mean, again, the camera is never going to do it justice, but it is beautiful.
You should have gotten MakerBox to see it. Yeet.
And there it is, again, from Plast 3D. Oh, it's beautiful. Gonna have to figure out something cool to do with that, which means it'll sit in a box for like forever.
And
I can never ever think of something cool. So if you have a suggestion for something cool to do with that gorgeous blue,
leave it in the comments and subscribe to Peg Like Paul. That's how we know. Definitely
hit us up in the comments and let us know. Now, once again, if you're not aware of this amazing deal,
stop bullying them about it. They're gonna
they're really missing out. This is a screamingly great deal. I mean, that is 50% off on one of the greatest accessories you can have for a 3D printer. So, and it's definitely cool to get Graybeard's sticker in the box. If you guys don't know who Graybeard is, check him out at Graybeard3D.
He has a gray beard.
He does have a gray beard. He looks like a big and gruff guy, but he's like a teddy bear when you talk to him. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, that not only brings us to the end of another MakerBox, it brings us to the end of 2019. The next time that you see a MakerBox video from us, it will be 2020. Well, that means I only have like a couple days to schedule these to release.
That means you're about to die. You're getting old.
Every day. Just like you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do not yet get yourself a MakerBox, get yourself a MakerBox. At least do yourself a favor and get one. I have a feeling that you get one and you're going to be hooked. If you do not get into all of the weird engineering type filaments, the exotics, that kind of stuff, there is what's known as the Easy Box. And that is going to be all PLAs in different colors, which is amazing. If you like the engineering type filaments, this is the Explorer box. And then there's another level above this, that is the Everything box, which comes with everything that you see in this box and all of the PLAs. We opt not to go with that box because we have so much PLA filament already. So, but it's a lot of fun. Now, again, if you have a friend that gets MakerBox, definitely use their code to help them out get a free MakerBox. If not, there's a link in the description below that does give us credit for your subscription.
Yeah.
And whether you use ours or not, there's a discount code down in there to save yourself a couple of dollars on your first month's box.
And it includes letters.
The code definitely has some letters in it.
Maybe some numbers too.
If you like what we're doing, I think it's just Fun King 3D.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah.
Well, now they can't look in the description and find my link to find my YouTube channel.
It's all just letters. It's just letters. There's no numbers in Fun King 3D.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, there's a 3. You're right.
I'm an idiot.
If you like what we're doing, we'd love for you to follow us along, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for notifications so you never miss one of these amazing videos that we do. Zach would love for you to give us a thumbs up because it feeds his ego, and he is a little ego monster.
Yeah, he's an ego monster, not me.
Every time that we get a thumbs up, he gets excited and does a funny little dance.
And whenever he gets...
Maybe we can get that on video one day.
And whenever he gets a dislike, he cries himself to sleep.
He does, on his huge pillow.
And whenever you don't subscribe to Peg Like Paul, he definitely cries himself to sleep.
We thank you for tuning in. Please watch all future videos going forward. And until next time, as always, print on.